In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete duplicate dashboard in Grafana. If you've ended up with an extra copy of a dashboard and want to keep your workspace tidy, follow along and I'll walk you through the cleanest way to remove the duplicate without touching your original. First, open Grafana in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct organization or workspace where the duplicate lives. Having the right permissions helps here. Ideally, you should be an editor or admin for the dashboard you're about to remove. Next, look to the left-hand side panel. This is Grafana's main navigation bar, the vertical strip of icons. If you ever forget what the icons mean, hover your mouse over them to see the labels. Click Dashboards to open the Dashboards area. Here, you'll see your folders, starred items, and a search field. Locate the duplicate dashboard. Duplicates often include the word copy in the title, but naming can vary. Use the search box if you have a lot of dashboards. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the duplicate, not the original. Checking the folder location, stars, or last updated time can help you be sure. Open the duplicate dashboard, then click Edit. This puts you into edit mode for that dashboard. If you don't see the edit option, you may not have enough permissions, so you'll need to ask an admin to perform the deletion. Inside edit mode, click Settings. You'll find this as a gear icon in the toolbar. The settings page contains metadata such as the dashboard title, folder placement, tags, and more. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. The delete option is intentionally placed at the end to prevent accidental clicks. Click Delete Dashboard. Grafana will prompt you to confirm. Read the confirmation carefully and proceed only when you're sure you've selected the duplicate. Deleting a dashboard removes that dashboard configuration from Grafana. It doesn't delete your data sources or underlying data, and it won't affect other dashboards. If you're even slightly unsure, consider exporting a JSON backup first so you have a safety net, then come back to delete when you're ready. And that's it. The duplicate is gone. A quick recap. Open Grafana, use the left navigation to access dashboards, open the duplicate, go to Edit, then Settings, scroll to the bottom, and confirm Delete. Keeping your dashboards organized not only reduces clutter, it also prevents accidental edits to the wrong copy. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, you're all set to keep your Grafana space clean and accurate.